let's explore another feature of regular expression called modifiers. And they're called modifiers because, of course, they modify what the regular expression would normally mean. And the general format of a regular expression is you have whatever your regular expression is, and then right here afterwards you include your modifiers. And so you might have modifiers that are like G, M, S, X, I, and any number of other ones. And they do very different things. And I just want to go over what these modifiers mean and how they work. So let's start with the G modifier. It is known as the global modifier. And what that means is if you've got some regular expression pattern that you're looking for, what the global modifier says is that not only do I want to find this pattern somewhere in the string that I'm looking for, but I want to find every instance of that pattern. So let's say you've got some input that has multiple values. Let's say we go back to our email addresses. We've got a bunch of text files. Maybe they came as emails from other people, and you want to pull out all the email addresses that are in them. Well, then you would want to make your email regular expression, whatever that looks like, and you would add this G modifier. Of course, you would capture what that email is that you're trying to find, and you would do that to all of your file string. And what this does is this is not going to just return the first email that it finds, but it's going to return an array of all the emails that it finds. And so this can be a really succinct way to search for the same thing over and over again inside of a document, inside of a string, and so forth. And so the global modifier is very nice that way. The next one I'm going to skip to is all the way here is the I, and that is ignore case. So just like it sounds like, if you've got a value in your regular expression that is P, you don't have to make a character class that is lowercase p and capital P, because you put P in there and you've told it to ignore the case. So this can be a really simple way if you're doing case insensitive matching or whatever, to be able to specify that quickly and not have a really ugly looking regular expression to modify that. The next one I want to talk about is the M, and this stands for multi-line string.